yo girlies, this is day 16 out of 100 as a Jika content creator looking for brand collaboration PR packages in 100 days. So let's see how many brands will collaborate with me in these 100 days. So guys, today I am going to wear a kache sari. It looks like this. I'm going to wear it, okay? For that I asked my mom to lend her this sari, that one. So exactly today I'm doing a Bharatanatyam dance cover. For that I'm going to recreate this choreography, but I'm going to do it adding my own essence. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to get ready. I have completed my senior grade in Bharatanatyam, and the grade old days looks like this, guys. Okay, let's do our makeup and costume. Let's see. Now I'm wearing this sari. First of all, take the left side smaller than the right one, because for the right one, you need to do the pallu right for that. Okay. Now take this one, left side. From this portion, you need to take it under, okay? Now, it's like this side. You need to tuck it in here. Do the plaits. Done. Now pin it. Take this from here and then set it till the end. Okay. Pin it up here. So this is the final look of the kache sari. Let's do our makeup then. First, let's do the hairstyle. For that, I'm going to wear a bun. Okay. First, I'm going to wear a pony and then I'm going to wear a bun. Now I'm going to wear a bun. Foundation. Now eyeliner, eyeshadow and cheek pinks. Mascara, lipstick, lip liner, this is called Drishti Bottu. Okay. Ornaments. For nose, I have this. Let's do our earring and necklace. This one. For hand ring, one is a ring. For another hand ring. Okay. For band. Okay, done. Now I'm going to add the alta. Okay. For wearing alta, I have my old brush. It looks like this. And this one, alta. I'm going to take this and this one. Okay. Now flex. So now I'm going to add the gadget. Let's go. Let's take this light to the stage, my stage.